Hello everyone, I am Rahmi Saragih. In this video, I will explain about context clues. Context clues are hints that the author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in the preceding sentence. These clues help us decipher the meaning of unfamiliar words in two different ways. The first is simply the basic meaning of the word, and the second, when a word has more than one meaning. These words are called homographs. There are types of context clues. First, definition or description. Second, example. Third, synonym restatement. Fourth, contrast or antonym. Fifth, mood or tone. And last, cause and effect. Let's start from definition or description clues. With this type of context clue, the definition of the word is literally given to the reader in the form of an explanation. Sometimes the author will add very specific words to tell us an explanation is upcoming. This can include phrases like which means, that is, and in other words. Examples: police officers often must interrogate witnesses. That is, the officers must ask their witnesses important questions and try to get truthful answers. The words after that is are described about interrogate. Every time that Jamal went to the library, he tried to expand his understanding of the word, which means he tried to learn something new. The words after which means are described about expand. Next, example clues. Sometimes when the reader finds a new word, an example might be found nearby that helps to explain its meaning. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. For example, piscatorial critters such as flounder, salmon, and trout live in the coldest parts of the ocean. Piscatorial obviously refers to fish. Second, celestial bodies, including the sun, moon, and stars, have fascinated men through the centuries. Celestial objects are those in the sky or heavens. Synonym clues. The reader may discover the meaning of an unknown word because it repeats an idea expressed in familiar words nearby. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. Examples: the mountain pass was a tortuous road, winding and twisting like a snake round the trees of the mountainside. Tortuous means winding and twisting. Flooded with spotlights, the focus of all attention, the new Miss America began her year-long reign. She was the cynosure of all eyes for the rest of the evening. Cynosure means the focus of all attention. Contrast or antonym clues. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An opposite meaning context clue contrasts the meaning of an unfamiliar word with the meaning of a familiar term. Words like although, however, and but may signal contrast clues. Examples: when the light brightens, the pupils of the eyes contract. However, when it grows darker, they dilate. Dilate means the opposite of contract. The children were as different as day and night. He was a lively conversationalist, but he was reserved and taciturn. Taciturn means the opposite of a lively conversationalist. Next, mood or tone clues. The author sets a mood, and the meaning of the unknown word must harmonize with the mood. Example: the lugubrious wails of the gypsies match the dreary whistling of the wind in the old but deserted cemetery. Lugubrious, which means sorrowful, fits into the mood set by the words wails, dreary, and deserted cemetery. And the last, cause and effect clues. The author explains the reason for or the result of the word. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, and etc. may signal context clues. For example, She wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, so she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. Culinary means food preparation. And that's all about this video. Thank you.